Hello everyone. So I figured when using Unreal Engine, I have a problem where I can't see my transform gizmos. For example, I have this cube here, and if I try to transform, I'm unable to do that. Except maybe I use my panel over here, and trust me, you don't want to do this. So here's like a quick fix. So all you have to do is just go up here where you have this eye icon that says show flags related to the current viewport. You have to open it and then just click on use defaults, and yeah, you should get your gizmos back, and you should be able to move things around your level. So if this tutorial was helpful, or if this tip was helpful, please do leave me a comment and let me know.